Architects and building designers today still rely on 100-year-old methods of design, assembly, and construction. They still make decisions using intuition and rules of thumb, which in turn waste time and money, both in the studio and on site. New, more sustainable and renewable materials and design and construction methods can reduce project development cycles, simplify and speed up construction, and basically deliver better spaces for people. But often this is simply too difficult or time-consuming for building professionals to integrate into their already complicated processes. Simply put, the building industry wants to be faster and cheaper, but lacks the knowledge and expertise to take advantage of modern technologies such as automation, advanced manufacturing, off-site fabrication, and data-driven design. Our software platform enables building design professionals to take out high carbon materials such as steel and concrete and replace them with modern, renewable, engineered timber. It is as easy as clicking a button, selecting from a series of options, and making informed decisions in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. And by the way, it reduces emissions by up to 66%. My name is Tristan, we are WOODIFY, and we are here to decarbonise the Australian construction industry. So what we provide is a real-time green building recommendation platform providing cost circularity and impact feedback to building designers. This costs $50 a month as a software as a service, and there is a consultancy that we offer for the more complicated and bespoke projects for $250 an hour. Our beachhead market are the commercial and multi-residential architects in Australia, which number 4,700, which grows to 9,430 firms when we activate the institutional and civic sectors. But the real market here are the residential builders of Australia, which number 51,250 with a value of $36 million to WOODIFY annually. We save time and money while reducing impact and offsets. Without WOODIFY, our customers tell us that they spend up to 30 days and $3,000 per project designing, specifying, and verifying greener solutions. With WOODIFY, this takes a fraction of the time and costs as little as $350 per project. This is a saving of up to $2,650 per project. It's 95% faster, 90% cheaper, and provides immediate access to circular and renewable solutions to building designers. The product itself allows designers to upload their building to the platform where they can select from a series of automatically generated options where construction and fabrication methods are simulated. This happens all the while as they design with real-time feedback as to the impact of their decisions. We have speed to market. We are complying with new and emerging regulations, and we have long-term agreements with suppliers and fabricators. We spoke to real building professionals with real problems. We assumed that designers were our key customers. We discovered that this is the case, but also developers and builders are very interested in this platform, which grows our beachhead market considerably. We assumed that there were competency requirements. We discovered that this is true, but there are also new legislative requirements emerging for practitioners in Australia. We also assumed that there would be a desire to use a software as a service, such as WOODIFY. We discovered that this is true. However, any service has to integrate very tightly with the existing workflows that building designers are already using, which we do. In terms of the financial modeling, we see a profit per year of $900,000 for the software as a service with a 40% market share of the beachhead market. And the consultancy requires capturing only 3% of this beachhead market, which is 56 customers, to provide $1.2 million profit per year. Construction contributes 30% of global carbon emissions annually. What this means is that without WOODIFY, the materials used in buildings contribute 120 million tons of CO2. With WOODIFY, this comes down to under 40 million tons of CO2 annually, which is a 66% total reduction. This is equivalent to 17 million cars off the road, or the annual energy usage of 9 million homes, or 15,000 wind turbines that you simply do not have to build. WOODIFY is Daniel Giuffre, Tristan Morgan, and Andre Schmolik. We are experienced architects and a new breed of design professionals working in the design and construction industry who leverage code and automation to deliver better buildings. This gives us an unparalleled advantage of industry insight as we are intimately familiar through our combined years of experience in some of the largest local and international projects. We want to WOODIFY the world, achieve $10 million valuation by 2025, and see a zero carbon Australian construction industry by 2030.